Hello YouTube and YouTube viewers. I haven't really talked to you guys in a while, but I would like to say hi to everyone. And I will be posting some new videos up now that I can actually post them because I have a camera, which is good. Let's see. There haven't been too much lately happening in my life, but it's been edgy. But I will still post videos for you guys. I'm a little thirsty. Michael!
Yeah.
Can you give me something to drink real fast in the refrigerator?
Sure.
Alright. That's the teamwork right there. Oh, thank you. Well, I guess I will have to talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly